Hey everybody, thanks for joining me again. Today I am going to do a couple of coasters, trying to use up some of my spare paints that I already have mixed up. Sad part is I am one of those people that do not label the lid of what the color is, so I go off looks. Um, so the ones I do know the actual color information, I will put it in the description of the video, and the ones that I don't, well, sorry. I'm just one of those people, I guess. Um, yeah, it's New Year's Eve. Hopefully, 2021 is a little bit better to us than 2020 was. Um, I'm kind of having concert withdrawals, so that's new. But other than that, I hope it's a better year than this year. And so, yeah, this will be my first video of the year. And again, I hope everybody's doing good and taking it safe out there. Yeah, so with this one, I'm just gonna call it Mermaid because it's a bunch of violets with a little bit of the turquoise type pigment. Um, I did something similar to this. I'll link it up top right now, and I did something similar, and it had a couple more magentas and like a ColourArte pigment that kind of goes pink whenever it dries over the white base. So something similar but totally different. And yeah, I'll put on some music and I'll come back at the end of the video when I get you down for a closer look. So I'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. Um, Obviously you saw I had a couple problems with some of them, and I redid them, and yeah, I had to make some paint on one of the colors just because I ran out of it, and it's alright though. I mean, I use that color a little bit more than some of these other ones, so I was okay with that. On this one, I have that little dam, or like one side of the tile is nothing but cell activator. I'm gonna try my hardest to get that off. Another problem throughout this process that I had was I couldn't grab a hold of my spinner. Obviously that's a me problem, right? I haven't had time to get some what are they, stir sticks, the wooden sticks, and put those on my spinner. That way I can actually spin it without having to grab onto it. Yeah, I just haven't had time to do that yet, so that's on me, y'all. This one I am actually going to do a swipe. Started off, I was going to blow it out, and I said the heck with it, I'm just going to do a swipe. Hopefully, you know, I shouldn't have been doing swipes the whole time to make them look better, but probably I'm going to like this one more than I did my blowouts, but that's alright. I'm just trying to use up some of my paints, go ahead and get those out the way. Again, hopefully you'll see it when you get down for a closer look. Adding the what is it, FolkArt's or Dragonfly glaze, the color shift type thing, red, violet, blue shift. Added that to one of the violet colors, and you know, it looks pretty cool. I'll give it that. Definitely gonna have to work more with that. And you know, with this one, you know, I've been doing black and white as my cell activator, and I'm gonna just stick with one color on this last one, the swipe. I mean, I could have poured the cell activator down the middle of it and just swiped it, you know, like normal, and kind of had the same vibe going on, but I'm not gonna do that. I did see somebody wherever they kind of, I don't know, rotate it on their swipe tool, like a black white and swipe. I didn't want to do that either. I just wanted to keep it simple on the swipe, especially since this is just me playing around for the most part. But yeah, I probably should have added a little bit more paint to this one, but again, it's just me playing just to see what shows up, or what I can get, I guess you would say. Yeah, so hopefully everybody's enjoyed the video. Hopefully, again, everybody's doing good. If you haven't already, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, or if you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up. That's always a plus. Again, some of the tools that I did use in the video, I have links in the description of the video, like the spinner and all that stuff. So if you want to see what I'm using, those links are down there. Again, I must say, I like the one side of this tile, but the other side that I'm swiping right now, I just didn't add enough paint. So it's probably going to look a little misproportionate or something like that, because there's going to be a lot of paint up top and not enough at the bottom. So yeah, it is what it is. Maybe it'll give a funky little design that everybody likes. So we're going to spin it out, and then after this is spun out, I'll get you down for a closer look. I know you're dying to see that. As you can tell, I should have had that much paint on both sides. So yeah, my fault. Had to grab a piece of paper or a towel, that way I could actually grab onto the spinner to actually spin the thing. I really wish I could spin off that one edge where the cell activator kind of went over the white base paint and give like that shadowy looking effect in a way, but I'm not gonna have it. It's not gonna come off. So yeah, this is probably pretty done. So here you go, close up. I mean, honestly, that's my favorite one right there. I'm not gonna lie, it's a favorite one, especially when you look at all the pigments in the light. But yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Again, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And again, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. And yeah, here's all the ones we did tonight. Take care, everybody. Hope you have a good New Year's, and take care. Thanks for watching.